Bushman,
Yo,
good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
I wish you're doing well.
Well,
Yeah. Where from you?
I'm from Togo.
Togo. Which part of Togo?
The one who together at Nyi.
Chevier side.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, fine. You answer. This place. How do they do the work they do? Because I can see there is a sea here that is boiling. I never see anything like this before. The water is boiling. You can see. Oh, that's nice.
This place is a hustle place.
It's a hustling place.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So when I get close to it, what is it going to do to me?
Oh, it's not going to do anything.
It's not going to do anything.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid.
You can't be afraid. I'm with you.
You're with me.
Yeah.
I don't want to enter.
That's it. You go that way. That
Yeah.
means, not come back again. Hey!